They saw him literally, there were two cats he chased right inside here. God, I can't go in here. Oh my God. Jamie! Jamie, oh my God. There's a creepy feeling in here. There's something wrong here, it's very creepy. Jamie! Oh my God, no! Hello everybody, it's Steve again from the new Steve Henry Show, and where am I? Yes, I'm taking a shower. Do you mind? I mean, my God, can I not have a little privacy here? Well, okay, come on in, everybody. Come on in, yes, come on in. What do we got here? We have a shower. What? Yes, a marble tile shower. Literally, IT, yes, our good Pennywise man. He is our celebration scary Halloween guy this week. And we are still looking for JB. If you hadn't noticed, JB is still missing. I seen by two cats racing down in a ravine or an arroyo somewhere in Albuquerque. So we got a new glimpse of him, a little eye testimony a couple days ago, a hot lead. So it's a three-part series. We are in part 2. Last week we did that beautiful pumpkin ensemble with the display. That was a beautiful fettuccine blackened chicken fettuccine Alfredo. And this week we are going to do pumpkin crepes. That's right, pumpkin. It's going to be flambéed, but we're going to display it in a shower. You will literally see a squash-made shower. Yes, it's still under construction, but this is really cool. We are going to, as I promised before, spin for a lunch with Steve. We're going to do it early. We're going to do one. Yes, one this Saturday. You want to be here and present because you have to be present and accounted for when I call your name. If you're not in the comment section for this spin, you will not get lunch with Steve. We have lots of winners sitting in that pile. As I told you before, it's an accumulation. We are going to accumulate some names. We are going to spin and we're going to have lunch with Steve 3 different times. This will be the first time. So if your name is called from the spin this Saturday, you and I are going to get together for lunch somewhere in the continental United States or Canada. Michelle, it is possible we will go to Canada for lunch. Now, your name's not in the lunch bin yet. How do you get in all this fun? Well, you go to the new SteveHenryShow.com and you register. That's how you get into it. You get your name in there so I could pull your name out. We have the spinner over here this week. Yes, we got IT the Clown on there twice. That's worth $200 if that needle spins and lands on IT, Mr. Pennywise. Last week's winners, John Hoffman, Polar Pop, don't know who you are, sir, Lisa Rogers, Angela Baker, Marco Sandoval, Josie Frog, Nikki Acosta. Pile with Lunch with Steve right now accumulates, goes like this. David Leon, Becky Evans, Xavier Peralta, Rosa Torres, Super Dud, Chronically Kelly, Word Builder, that's Christian, Nikki Acosta, Angela Baker, as I mentioned, Josie Frog, as I mentioned, Marco Sandoval, as I mentioned, John Hoffman, Polar Pop, and Lisa Rogers. You all are in the Lunch with Steve spin, and I'm going to spin one of your names on Saturday, and you and I will have lunch. We also sent out 3 checks. Josephine Galvani, you got $150. That check went out. Lisa Garibay, or Candy, as you are also known, you're an imposter up there in Moses Lake, Washington. You got a check for $100. That went out. And Roxanne T, you got a check for $100. And we still have that car that we got to give away. I want people to come to your house, have pumpkin crepes for dessert and coffee, and say, wow! That's the whole effect of this food show. Oh, and one more thing, loved one. This is super important. We have, congratulations, by the way, we have just eclipsed 12,000 subscribers. That puts us and YouTube together in a new algorithm, I do believe. The playlist, if everybody goes to the right side of where YouTube recommends the videos, or if you're on a cell phone of any kind, you just scroll and you will see the playlist, the Steve Henry Show playlist. Hit that. What that is, again, that's a library of all of our videos compiled into one. Play it and tell me you play it. Put it in the comment section. This email blast that we're sending out right alongside this video is going to explain this, but if you put in the comments, I did, Steve, I watched the playlist, I'm putting you in a spin for some money this Saturday. Watch the playlist, loved ones. We're rolling now, baby. When? 4 o'clock. Where? Anywhere. It's on YouTube live at 4 o'clock Mountain Time. Don't you dare be late.